In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to migrate your WordPress site. So we are going to use a plugin called WP Vivid. This plugin works for both auto and manual migration of your WordPress site. So whether you are shifting to a new domain or changing your hosting provider, this tutorial will cover everything you need to know. So let's get started. First of all, we go through our table of contents. These are the table of contents. We are going to follow these ones. Before we start the how-to video, let's quickly look our website view. So this is my source website. You can have a look on it. So this is the website I want to migrate. So you can check the link. It is app 1. So I want to move this website. I will show you my destination. So this is my destination. This is the destination link. I want my website here. I don't want this one. This is, you can see, it's a sample website. So I want to move my old website into a new link here. So now let's look at how to perform migration using WP Vivid plugin. So for that, we have two options. First is auto migration and the second option is manual migration. So we will go through the steps of auto migration first. So first we have to make sure we install the plugin on our both site, source and destination. So this is our source site. As you can see, it's app 1. Now we will make sure that we download the right plugin. Add new plugin. Search for the plugin WP Vivid. So this is the right plugin, Migration Backup Staging WP Vivid. As you can see, it's already installed and activated on my site. Now I will go back to my destination site and make sure the plugin is installed and activated. So this is my destination where I want to move my website. I will go to plugins, add new plugin and search for WP Vivid. As you can see, the plugin is installed and activated. You have to make sure that you download or install the right plugin because you can see there is 3 same plugins logos. So this is the right plugin. Now the plugin is installed on our both site. This is our destination. Now we will go to next step. On our destination site, we will go to WP Vivid Backup. This is the interface of the plugin. Now we will go to the key. This is the key option here. You just press it here and it will ask you the key will expire in. So how much time you want to expire it in. So I will select 24 hours. So I will ask it generate the key. You can see here is some text that is generated. Now I will copy all the text, select all and copy. Now we will go back to our source site. We will go to dashboard, plugins, WP Vivid Backup plugin. So this is WP Vivid Backup plugin and you have to select auto migration here. Auto migration, and now it will ask you about the key. So remember, we copy the key from our destination site. We just paste it here and save it. You can see it's saved here. Now the next step is you have to choose the content you want to transfer. As in my case, I want to transfer the whole website, so that's why I select database plus files. Now I will ask it clone that transfer. It will take a little while. You can see it's 14%. So when it's finished, we will continue our tutorial. You can see now the clone and transfer is finished. Now we will go to our destination site. This is our destination site and click here backup and restore. This is WP Vivid Backup plugin interface. just click here and go down here, backups. You can see we have received a backup here at 8:40. So in my time it is 8:40 now, so that means we received it just now. So what we do here, we just click here restore and make it confirm restore. Okay, and now it will take a while and restore all the setting. Once it's finished, then we continue our tutorial. As you can see here, it is saying that restore completed successfully. We will say OK, and you will see the changes now. It was refreshing the page. You can see the page is refreshing itself, and now it is saying blogs and stories. The name of the website is changed. We will go to our website and see the changing. Yeah, you can see here, you can check the link app 2, and you can check all the stuff is here from our old website to new website, and everything is working fine. Now we will go to our dashboard and make sure that our plugins and everything is restored here. Let's go to plugins, and you can check it automatically download and install everything and activated it on our new website. All the plugins, all the necessary plugins we need, it's automatically installed. So that was the auto migration. In this case, you have to make sure that you have your password of your source website, because when you do first time, it will ask you about your source website's password. And that's it from the auto migration. Now we will go over second option. What if auto migration doesn't work? Certain scenarios can cause issues such as hosting restrictions, large website sizes, or server timeouts. In such cases, manual migration is your best choice. So now we will go through the steps of manual migration. In this example, we are going to use this website, and you can check the link. It's app 2, and this is our source website. This is the site we want to move to our new destination. So we will go to our destination now, and I want to move my old website here now in app 1 link. You can check the link here. So first of all, we will go to our destination site and create a backup first with our WP Vivid backup plugin. So this is our WP Vivid backup plugin interface. We will go here and ask it backup now. So it will create a backup for us. It's finished now. I will show you the download here. So this is the file it created now. It just finished now. Now we will go back to our destination site. This is our destination site. We will go to dashboard and go to our WP Vivid backup plugin, and under here you will see an option here, upload. We simply just press upload, and it will give us option drop files here or select files. So we already saved our backup files from our source site to our computer. So what we do here, we will go to our downloads and drag and drop our file here. This is the file. It is saved in my computer. Now I will drag and drop here. You can see the file is here. Now I will say it upload. It will take a little while to upload. Once it's finished, we will continue. Now you can see a dialog box here, and it is saying that the upload has completed. We will say OK. And here you can see we receive a backup file. So we will click on this button first, scan uploaded backup or received backup. Now after that we will click here restore. It will restore all the settings. Say OK. Now it will take a little while to complete the restoring process. See here a dialog box that is saying restore completed successfully. We will say OK. So here you go. Now we will visit our website. As you can see, it is saying 100% completed. So we will visit our website and see that how it looks now. As you can see, everything is changed here. This is our new website in app 1 link. So you can imagine how quickly it has happened. Now I will go to plugins and check that all the necessary plugins installed. You have to make sure that everything is working fine and smoothly. So that's why we will go through all the settings. You can see all the plugins are installed automatically and activated. So that was the manual migration. Now you must be thinking that why we choose the WP Vivid plugin. So because first thing is it's user friendly and even first time user can quickly understand it and follow the steps. And second is it has both options, auto migration and manual migrations. You can simply upload the downloaded file with this plugin. Go with the auto and manual migration of your WordPress site using WP Vivid plugin. Now the question is why we need a manual approach. So basically sometimes the hosting provider have some limitations, or maybe your sites are too big and you can't auto migrate it. So in that case manual migration is very helpful. So now you know how to migrate your WordPress site using WP Vivid plugin. That is very user friendly and you don't have any risk of data loss. Now that's all from this tutorial. I hope you like this video and tutorial and it will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.